Hi, to record HDR 10 plus videos on Samsung Galaxy S25, you have to start by opening Camera app and from photo mode switch to video by swiping left. And then you have to click on three dots icon and go into settings. And after that, you should see this tab Advanced Video Options. Choose it. And now you can see HDR feature, so if you decide to enable it, you can capture a wider range of color and contrast by recording in 10-bit HDR, which is compatible with most apps and devices. So to enable, just tap on switcher and it will light up blue like in my case. To disable, tap it again and it would be gray like that. And then go back in your camera settings, press camera shutter button and start recording. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.